let's also tell you about the stocks which are making news this morning. Megha and Yatin are here to walk us through all those. Megha, you go first.
Well, Aisha, very good morning, and look out for Tata Power there. The company is in fact planning restructuring of its asset in order to placate its lenders. Last year, in the last fiscal year, the company was unable to meet some of its financial covenants. In order to placate its lenders, it is seeking a waiver from its creditors there. Now, the company is looking at transferring 75% of its stake in the Indonesian coal mines to its subsidiary, which is setting up the 4,000 megawatt power plant in Mundra. The lenders are having this fear that the current earnings from the operations at the Mundra power plant will not be able to service the 14,000 crore of debt on the company's books there, and that's why this transfer is being taken place there. Apart from that, the company believes that by bringing the mining and the power plant operations into a single entity, it would make the company's operations easier. So it's an interesting development. Keep an eye on the counter. It has cracked close to 12.5% in the last 1 month, trading below that 20-day moving average. Also, look out for Oil India, posted its results yesterday, and the company is very keen on picking up 51% stake in Reliance gas transportation infrastructure. Remember, GAIL is also in the race to pick up that stake, and Oil India has submitted its expression of interest and is conducting the due diligence at this point of time. JP Morgan, Citi and SBI Caps are the bankers for this transaction. So let's see what really happens with this one. If you look at the stock of Oil India, it has been more or less flat, has cracked close to 1.5% in the last 1 month, testing that 20-day moving average at this point of time.
Thanks for that, Megha. Let's go to Yatin for mid and small cap stocks. Yatin, why is Fortis Healthcare important today?
Nikun, something on the cards that Tata Power has already done, transferring, non-core businesses and businesses to enhance the valuations. Similar is the kind of move Fortis Healthcare has taken. That will be done on the Singapore Stock Exchange. Now here, Fortis Healthcare is planning to disinvest and, hive off its non-core businesses. These non-core businesses include the OPD operations, upcoming hospital buildings, as well as radiology division. These 3 or 4 business verticals will be demerged into a non-core entity, and that will be listed on the Singapore Stock Exchange. And do remember, 2,000 crores is the kind of amount Fortis Healthcare is looking to garner via these transactions, via listing this non-core businesses on the Singapore Stock Exchange. So significant development coming in for Fortis Healthcare. The company has also reported its earnings today. Let's see how the stock reacts to this piece of news. Apart from that, Welspun Corp earnings today, but before the earnings, the company has announced a large order win. The company has won orders worth 2,070 crores from domestic and international operations. With this, the total order book for Welspun Corp will be at close to 1 million ton, or a worth of close to 7,500 crores. So significant order win coming in for Welspun Corp. Expect the stock to react positively to this bit of news. However, the stock is currently in F&O ban, so no new positions can be taken in the future and option segment for Welspun Corp.